In this exercise, we learn the healing brush tool. Basically, the healing brush tool is used for repairing and removing blemishes by taking a sample from the image. It is the best tool to remove blemishes. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If I right-click on the Spot Healing Brush tool, we can see the Healing Brush tool underneath the Spot Healing Brush tool. And we can press Shift and J to select this tool. Okay, let's first create a new layer in the Layer panel by clicking on Create New Layer icon. And make sure the All Layer Sample option is clicked on. Okay, now if I click on any spot on the face, we can see a warning. Alt-click to define a source point to be used to repair the image. Okay, now I will take a sample within a similar color by clicking the Alt key and painting on it. Something like that. And you can see how smoothly it's working. Now we can take a sample and paint anywhere to remove spots in the image. Okay, now let's see its control panel option. If I click above, here is the size of brush. We can adjust it. And here, we can adjust soft or hard brush edges. We can also press the left and right bracket key to adjust its size. And here is an angle option. We can adjust it. If we are using tablet, then choose pen pressure, or you can choose the off option. Okay, next, the blending option, normal option, or we can adjust it when we want to experiment. Next, we have a source sampled. This is the best option in my opinion, but if you want a pattern, just click on it and use it. Okay, next, aligned option. If I check this off and sample area, for example, we can see where I am painting, the sample point remains in the same place. Okay, now if I check this on, then sample from here and paint it, you can see it is moving with alignment. Okay, next we have the sample option. If you want to take your sample from all layers, we can choose this option. If we are working on the same image, then the current layer option can be chosen. The current and below option can be helpful if you're taking a sample from the below image. Something like that image. Okay, next is the adjustment layer. Just keep it off. And next is the pen pressure option if you're using tablet. Then you can choose this option. Okay. Next, we have the diffusion option. You can keep it at 4 to 5. It is just a blending option. Okay, there's one option that I've missed, and that is the clone source panel. If I click on it, you can see here is the overlay option. If I check this off and take the sample and paint, you can see it is not showing us the sample. But if I check this on, we see texture effect, something like that. Okay, in the next tool, we will learn the patch tool.